Hey guys, without wasting any time, let's fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, go to search bar and type here control panel, then click here to open it. Once we are here on this window, we need to select the large icons in the viewer section, then just scroll down and click on sound. So once we are here, we need to try to disable this one and again enable it. You have to just right click here and select disable and enable it and check out the problem is solved or not. If not, then go to its properties, go to levels tab, make sure we have to set this up to the 100%, and then in the enhancements tab, check this option, disable all enhancements, click on apply and then OK. Once done, right click here, select the device manager. Now in the audio, sound, video and game controllers, expand this, then right click on the audio device, go to its properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver, then select search automatically for drivers and the base drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, we have to uninstall the device and restart the system and problem will be solved. Another way is to go to update driver and select the browse my computer, click on let me pick from the list and select the model, click on next. And installing this device is not recommended because Windows cannot verify that, but we have to say yes, and the Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Once done, simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.